And you dey hear me whine. I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the chairman station Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And the program as usual na as e dey hot. The only program wey give you license to talk am as e dey be you for body. Today we dey discuss very important issue when dey inside Naija politics. We been no fit talk about am before because e dey for court, and as a result of saying a court case, we no fit talk about am because e dey inside wetin people dey call sub judice. Na English, no, not be English, but na strong word, sub judice. So we no fit talk about am. But today, the court don rule, and we get mouth to chook inside the matter. The court don talk say the PDP, the case wey they carry come, say the speaker, the man wey be say na speaker, somehow, Aminu Tambuwal, say make dem declare in seat vacant. Court don talk say yes, the PDP fit carry on with that action. Wetin we go chook mouth on top today na wetin this action go cause? Considering the fact say the political somersault wey no dey happen inside with Nigerian politics no be something wey dem dey take play. My name na Ezogo Chokwote, and as usual I dey inside studio with my brother wey sabi well as e take concern this matter, Nkubi.
Chukudi. No make mistake ever call my name for this thing. When I see now my own right, now my right to introduce myself. Nobody go introduce me. Your own are to tell viewers what you supposed to tell them. Say pass on to me. No ever make mistake. You tell me say look, Nkubi. Which one cause that one?
No, Nkubi no be your name.
And so why you go take your own man? They introduce me. Allow me make I introduce myself. No, you go introduce me.
Oh no, fair. So you introduce yourself.
Our viewers, you don't talk already. I don't need to mention my name again. The name na So and this now as it dey hot.
I pity you.
No, they pity me. No, I don't know.
You go put yourself a problem for this show. I dey tell you.
Why they introduce me? So say wetin happen.
Okay, you don't do. I know say this thing what you do now. Wetin people they call delay tactics. You understand? You won't use an escape because you know say the topic where we carry come today na hot one and you dey inside serious.
No, bring them on.
How you take reason this?
As I take reason them. Look, me say we know, me and you.
I don't know
me
anything.
And you
know your know, I know my know.
See, if somebody where they ignorant, they ignorant. Look, our government know the right things where they're supposed to do.
Yes.
Instead of make them follow due process, what happen? They come, they do one kind of agidi, they do agidi. In the end, say the something no still come back to where it be. See, my papa they normally tell me this proverb. Look, say if person won't go on a journey, from the place where the person take off the journey, if you like make it waka the whole world. So that same place where you start the journey, you go still come back there. Why? Now be the situation here.
If the person start the journey from airport, from inside plane, the person can't use parachute come out, he go back to the place where.
Forget that. In the end, you go still land.
Young man.
No, this
quote where you carry come, you don't make mistake.
I don't make mistake.
I have debunked it.
You are not. See, give me talk. Not
simple. Yeah, you don't lose this argument.
I don't lose anything because make I also make you understand one thing. You see, you get one other section of our constitution we talk say, look, if issues, one or two people or the party no get peace for their party, say. That one no fee. That one say you know that eligible for somebody to come say.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
You don't shoot yourself for.
I don't shoot myself for leg. Because make me and you understand. Say look, internally me and you know say PDP no too settle.
Not be me and you. Now you. No way you know.
Say
I know my
PDP no
own.
settle.
And
moreover,
it is a very big
what section of our constitution talk say look say the speaker must come from a particular political party or must come from the majority party.
Thank you very much. Make I address your question now.
Part of our constitution.
Now, everybody agree. Say, you get the time when we say we get the PDP and the MPDP. You understand? Okay. But that matter has been resolved. So, using the excuse of say internal fracas, now English, internal fracas inside the party as excuse, that one no fit work again. Then politics has always been a game of numbers, true or false. You want tell me say. Una want elect speaker and these people.
Oh,
yes.
Excuse me. What did you talk now? Don't remind me of the Second Republic.
You don't allow me to talk with I want to. You call Second Republic.
Speaker,
wait till the Second Republic when they call.
When the speaker then, Chief Edwin Umezeoke, when they choose him as speaker, that time. No be majority choose.
Thank you very much.
No be majority choose him.
You
and
understand?
He was from the minority party.
Excuse me.
About majority choose him. Say
me
he come become speaker because
of political parties.
Because of what?
The political parties.
Competence.
The political parties and agreement. So the other people when they elect are not be competent.
Based on competence,
the political parties reach an agreement.
So this is already talk.
But this time around, these people don't
majority or no majority.
Our person like win.
That is a fallacious statement.
We take fire back. No, they come here,
fallacious statement.
No, they come here, they talk anyhow. This one are from Akwa Ibom Princess. Akwa Ibom Princess. Exactly. I don't know. As Akwa Ibom Princess, you go to talk with. You go to talk. Now royal, as in the things we're going to come out of him mouth. That's something when they very, very royal. This person not talk and say, court don't decide. Waiting the man still they wait for. Thank you very much.
Good.
The court is the final. The court.
See.
Court.
The search is still pending.
What is pending?
Court.
See this man. What is pending?
Wait, make I read this
message.
Wait, make I read this.
Don't talk. Say.
Make I read my own message. Make I read my message. What do you mean by pending? He still remains the speaker.
He still remains what?
He still remains the speaker.
You see, you are disobeying the law. You are disobeying the law.
Make I read this message.
You are flouting the law.
This is from Mustafa. Mustafa talks say, Mr. Chukudi. Mr. Chukudi.
How many times he called the name? Maybe once. Why did they read that?
We don't see cases where members of the House from both the national and state level of the PDP, they do it in, they break the law by switching to other parties. So what you call they talk about?
Wait, you read comment finish, they ask me question. This one are from Paul Yahaya. Remember Yahaya no be Igbo name. Paul Yahaya. Good. Paul Yahaya don't talk say the law must take its course. Thank you very much. The law must take its course.
The law must take its course.
Thank you.
Good.
Now what did the court don't come out to talk? The court don't come out to talk say make this guy declare the seat.
Okay. If it is so law, make I also read this one. This is from Chinedu. Chinedu talk say for the law to be effective. For the law to be effective, the ruling party should lead by example.
Thank you very much.
Are they leading by example?
They are leading by example.
They are not.
Transformation agenda.
That is why this person talk with it.
Excuse me.
They are not leading by any example.
Excuse me.
Because they don't violate the law.
They are not violating any law. Now, we are not agree with the law. You are contravening the law. You are flouting the law. When our people went there for house, una see say the topic they come on smoke. The discussion no go end here. We go continue now on top of social media. For Facebook, go to Wazobia Facebook page. Like them. We go continue the discussion for there. Send us email to our website asidehot, ASDE hot, asidehot at wazobiatv.tv and follow us on top of Twitter at TV asidehot. Make we continue this discussion. All of you know say na the correct thing.
Indeed, correct.
All of you know say I'm right.
Now also know say Nigerians now also know say what I talk about. They right.
Two people cannot be correct at the same time. Now me correct, now you wrong. I'm correct, you are wrong. I'm correct, you are wrong. I'm correct. I know what I'm
coming away again tomorrow. This is me. Could be saying, "Na bye bye."
This is you. Who are you?
Who
are you?
Never make mistake.
Not that.
Call my name for the beginning of the program.
Oh, now what is